boy.
In the middle of the river.
No, fuck off. Yeah, look. Easy. There's no time for stalling. Our dreams on the horizon. Well, my love, we've been here before. Hello, guys. Car coming. Vroom, vroom. Boy, do something fun. Do something fun, boy. Yeah. Good boy.
No, stop.
Where you going, mister? Where you going? Oh, it's just one.
Just making sure you...
Nothing. Move on. Let's see about it. Good boy. Bring it. Bring it, Sticky. Bring it. Lead. Oh,
I've struggled once to put it back in. Pretty good.
Go, big man. Are you there? Shake. Good boy. All right. Mommy, daddy's chance. Done. Go away. Right then. Okay. Yeah.
Tell me where?
Yeah.
Cool.
What are you lying for?
I don't think it's ever as easy to start.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lovely. No, you don't need...
You fucker. I had to work hard for that one. You're going to get with the ball.
Oh. Where is this? Go there. I'm struggling.
Got it.
Okay, got it.
What was he just there?
Maybe watch this like that.
Yeah. Ready? Look at it. That's okay.
Pick up the pen. Okay.
Hello. Internet was mad. Like, I remember now we take the internet for granted. So when you don't have internet, you realise what you can't use anymore.
Mom's 86.
80.
Not too sharp then, is it?
Go on, boy. Oh, good boy.
Give the mommy.
Lovely.
Wait.
No, he doesn't like lead. I've seen people do it and use it. My professional colour artists and whatnot use it. You don't have to flick it.
Come, Das. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy, Das? I found him! You found... Yes.
Ich bin watermelons, potatoes.
Bobby. Ready? Look at him.
Oh, we're getting his. Yeah, he is. Huh.
Sure.
Yeah, I reckon so, yeah.
Das. Dad. Where do you live, boy? You're gonna go into the river in a minute. I'm good, you? Good. I want to speak to... Hello, happy birthday. That's good. Oh, good. I was just going to say, I think you're 86. I think you've had everything you've ever wanted in your life.
some water. Where is it?
Oh my goodness.
Water. Come on. Come on then.
Oh, good boy. That's nice, Mummy.
Put your head in.
Bite it.
In.
Daddy, we're going.
Darcy.
Come back.
Mister. Hello. That's where you are. Da. It's mad that you can walk through it. Yeah.
Darcy. There was like a little shadow bit.
Yeah. Come in.
They're more in shallow normally.
I don't feel that. Sassy. You.
No, leave me. This is nothing, me, Bubby. I'll find you. I'll find you, Angel. I'll find you, Bobby. I think you're going to Bobby. Come on. Come on, love. Come on.
Isn't it? A bit too hot. You alright?
Mommy's vagina. I feel like it's going to touch me.
For a long time. I was literally go all day. Wasn't it?